Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidara? And I know you're seeing me after quite some time. Do you see some changes? I hope I've put off some weight as well. So with that, you saw me bring up this big dabba. So let me know. I've just put up a small light behind me. I hope it's looking good in this edition of the video. So like you already read the title, this is the unboxing of Givi or Givi, however you want to call in Italian way or however you want. So this is the unboxing of the tank bag that I bought for my 6R. One of the reasons why I bought, right, you would have seen me wearing a lot of times about the backpack, and the one that I was wearing with the backpack, it was creating a lot of stress on my shoulders, with of course with not too much of weight, but the biggest thing I had a concern was about when I was actually trying to go a little bit higher, about 150 clicks, right, the bag used to just vibrate because of nothing inside that, right? So that's why I was looking on internet, and then I had to bring a tank bag, which is probably the ring system itself. The moment I stole Givi, so that's the ring system. So, and this model is like you already read, it is this model, and this compact it is, and this is 5 liters, and this is about 4,590 according to Givi website, and we have an official dealer for India as well for Givi Bangalore. But I did not get it from them. I got it from Vikas, V Performance. He just sent it in like just like 10 minutes of just over a phone call. So I put in some stuff inside. So I personally carry the puncher kit, like you see the puncher kit over here. The pink color is the puncher kit, and then the baffle remover, most important for loud exhaust. For me, power inflator. Also have a little bit space in the corner to put in my GoPro and the batteries as well, and of course my wallet and my phone. So this is the compact that I wanted to show it with you. So this is how it's going to look like, and it's a ring system. With that, I'll also take an opportunity to show you what else will come inside this. So please don't mind the parcel. I asked Vikas to open it up, so he just opened it and then checked it and then sent it, because I was checking out with multiple bags and multiple designs, alright. So with that, it comes up with these many things. I'm going to showcase what exactly comes in the box first. You have a manual, and you have this ring. I'm not sure why this is included. I'll figure it out in the installation process. And then you have a nice rain cover. I did open it up, but this is not Givi branded, but I think it's a solid snug fit. It's going to help when I'm actually riding in rain as well, in case if it rains in between. This is going to work out. And then most important thing, even if I come to that, you also have a strap to carry if in case you would like to carry it on your like a shoulder bag. And then this is the most important thing, alright, it's BF29. So this is the ring system that's going to come up to install as well, right? So I'm going to open this, and it's pretty straightforward. This is the only thing that you get. So potentially this is going to replace the existing tank ring, and then you're going to take it up and you're going to put it up as well, and you'll be able to install it. With that, this are the things that's going to come up, and this costed me 1,390. I wanted to bring it for the Adventure 390 also, because if I get a different thing, then I thought I'll be able to accommodate the same bag on my KTM also. But it is so weird that that ring has been priced at some 4,000 or 5,000 or something, which I thought it is not worth. Because I can eventually get a tank bag, alright, so I decided not to buy that. But let's see, if I had to purchase in future, then I'll absolutely go ahead and buy nothing like it, alright. And that's pretty much comes in the box. And just showing you back again, you have 2 zippers, right? I love the neon one because it suits my bag, and the silver one also is there. And the construction of the bag is alright, but there is like small nitty-gritties, like the threads are visible, that should have been covered. And you have a small tag from Givi also, showcasing that how do you make those installations and stuff and everything. So it says 5 liter tank load, maximum of 2 kg, and then reflectives as well. So this is something which is there. And you also get a small grab handle where you can carry it, and it's very compact, alright. I think in photos it was looking slightly big. Maybe in this also you'll be able to see through. Maybe if I have to give an example, this is the diary that I use on a regular basis for my personal work, and it's pretty much the same length in fact shorter than that, and maybe half an inch of the diary height. So this is a normal square rectangle which is slightly bigger than my palm. With that, folks, stay continued. I'm not going to install it right away, alright, because it's night. It's already 11 o'clock in the night, so we have to go get some sleep. With that, we will continue to install this in the next video, so please stay tuned and hit the subscribe button, smash this like button. If you like this video, please do share it across, and I'm so glad to come back on video and see you, all of you guys. I hope everyone is keeping safe as well, and with that, an announcement coming very soon. Just stay close. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching the video. I hope you like this content. With that, we'll see you in another vlog, another content and the travel story. Thank you so much once again. Bye. This is how it looks like for the final time.